Hi everybody. It's a beautiful fall day here in Northeast PA. It's almost the end of October. I am just home from work, something that you won't be seeing much of from now on because I am retiring the first week of November. So I want to talk to you about something called NaNoWriMo. It means National Novel Writing Month, and aspiring writers will write, like, I think it's 15,000 words every day, so that at the end of the month they have basically a novel that needs a little work, a work in progress. I did it once, NaNoWriMo blog was on the blog, but in honor of November and in celebration of my retiring, which will give me a lot more time to videotape and a lot more time to garden, I am going to do, I think it might be the first NaNoVidmo. I'm going to post a video every single day in November, obviously starting with November 1st. So this is fair warning. If you subscribe and hit the bell, you'll be notified, or just stop by. It could be interesting. Some videotape I did take earlier in the summer, so you may see me in a jacket and in better weather. But some of it will be done, through the November, where it's the winter months. So I'm looking forward to it, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.